Title: How to Make $500 a Month with Dividend Stocks. Long format: Intro, midnight to 010, upbeat music, narrator, voiceover. Want to make an extra $500 a month without working overtime? Today, we're going to show you how to do it with dividend stocks. Visual: 010 to 020, images of people enjoying their free time, narrator, voiceover. Imagine having an investment portfolio that pays you a steady income every month. Content: 020 to 8 o'clock, Section 1 in the Basics, 020 to 3:30, images of books, charts, and graphs, narrator, voiceover. First, let's start with the basics. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that regularly pay a portion of their profits to shareholders. Timestamp: 1 o'clock. To get started, you'll need to open a brokerage account like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity. Most accounts have low or no fees. Timestamp: 1:30. Next, focus on dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. Section 2: Diversification, 3:30 to 6 o'clock, images of different stocks and investment portfolios, narrator, voiceover. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Aim for a mix of at least 15 to 20 dividend aristocrats. Timestamp: 4 o'clock. Remember, investing in individual stocks can be risky. Consider an ETF like the SPDR S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF for a more diversified approach. Section 3: Reinvestment, 6 to 7:30, images of compound interest and reinvesting dividends, narrator, voiceover. Reinvest your dividends. When you reinvest, you buy more shares which will generate even more income. Timestamp: 6:30. Let's say you invest $1,000 in a stock paying a 2% annual dividend. If the dividend is $20 and you reinvest it, after 1 year, you'd have approximately $1,040 in income. Section 4: Time, 7:30 to 8 o'clock, images of a calendar and clock, narrator, voiceover. Time is your friend when it comes to dividend investing. The longer you hold on to your investments, the more income they'll generate. Timestamp: 7:45. For example, if you invested $1,000 in 2010 in the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF and did nothing, today it would be worth over $9,300. That's a 768% return. OUTRO: 8 to 8:30, images of money, charts, and the channel logo, narrator, voiceover. Remember, investing in dividend stocks is a long-term strategy. Don't expect immediate results. Timestamp: 8:15. Start today by researching dividend aristocrats, opening a brokerage account, and investing. The journey to $500 a month starts now. Visual: 8:30, channel logo, contact information, and call to action, narrator, voiceover. Subscribe for more tips on making money with dividend stocks.